Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today we are going to start our chapter number 9, Microsoft Excel. Let's start with hard words. Cell. Cell means it is a small rectangular box in your Excel page. Navigation means to move around. Undo means cancel the last action. Workbook, an Excel document. It is like a book, the whole book. And worksheet, it is a sheet in a workbook. It means as we having one page in a book, the same way we have worksheet in a workbook. In this chapter we will learn about Microsoft Excel, how to start it, components of Microsoft Excel, how to create a workbook, how to enter a data, how to manipulate a data, how to delete cell entry, how to navigate and move in your cell, how to save, and how to exit from Excel. So Microsoft Excel 2016, it is an application software and component of Microsoft Office suite. It is a part of Microsoft Office. It helps us to store, organize, calculate and manipulate data. In Word and presentation we can't calculate data, but in Excel we can organize and calculate and manipulate data. Now let's learn features of Excel. So following are some features of Excel. It provides formulas for performing simple and complex calculation. It helps to search the data quickly and replace it instantly. We can search and we can replace the data instantly. Data can also be viewed in a graphical form like charts, and it also helps to compare the data effectively. We can also use the graphs. As we say the graphs in maths, the same way we can also draw the graphs and charts. It also provides the various formatting features to improve the appearance of data. We can also format it. Now let's learn how to start Excel 2016. So step number 1, click on the start button. Step number 2, scroll down the list and select the Excel 2016. As soon as you click on it, the Excel window will be open. Components of Excel 2016. So let's learn the Excel window that appear on the screen. It is called Workbook. By default, the name assigned to the workbook is Book 1, as we having Document 1 and Presentation 1. A workbook consists of number of pages called worksheet, as we having page in a book, same way. A sheet is also called spreadsheet. They are also called spreadsheet. A worksheet consists of 10,48,576 rows and 16,384 columns. The default name of worksheet is Sheet 1. So it is look like a table where we having rows and column. Now cell. So cell is the intersection of rows and column. Each cell is known by cell address, which is combination of rows, column alphabet and row number. So in our Excel file we having column we defined by alphabets and rows defined by number. For example, A6 present the cell that intersection of column A and row 6. A cell is used to store data. Cell means a small rectangular box. When you click on a cell, you can obtain its address from small box called name box. So active, it is which cell is selected, it is also called active cell. Active cell indicates that the current cell is active. When you click on it, a thick border appears around it, which differentiate it from the rest of the cell. So this way we can identify the active cell. Now range. Range is a group of continuous cell which is form a rectangle shape. A range can be as a single cell or as big as entire worksheet. So this selected part is called range. Range is specified with starting cell address followed by the ending cell address separated by column. For example, B5 colon F5 indicates a range starting from the B5 and ending at F5. So it is separated by the colon. Name box. So this part is called name box. It contains the address of cell. It is a active cell and it is located just above the column heading on the left side of the window. This part is called formula bar and it is located to the right of the name box. It shows the character and formula we enter in the cell. This is our file tab and it contains many functions. It allows us to create a new workbook. We can open our existing saved workbook. Okay, we can save our workbook, we can print our workbook, and we can do many more tasks. Now this whole area is called ribbon. The panel at the top of Excel document, it is called ribbon. It has the 7 tabs on it. They are home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formula, data, review and view tab. Each tab is divided into groups. These groups are logical collection of features designed to perform a specific function to develop or edit spreadsheet. The most used feature of groups are display on ribbon. To view additional features within each group, click on this arrow button at the bottom right corner of the quick access toolbar. It is present above the ribbon. This area, it is a customized tool that contains command that you may want to use. To change the location of toolbar, click on the arrow at the end of the toolbar and select the show below the ribbon option. You can also add and move the items to the toolbar and select add to quick access toolbar. That's it for today, student. Thank you.